All right, number 14. Use the change of base formula to evaluate each expression, then convert it to a log base 8. So 14 looks like this. We have a log base 5 of 62 is equal to log base 8 of x. So first, let's evaluate the log base 5 of 62. We know we can rewrite this as the log of 62 over the log of 5. Okay, that's easy calculator work for us. So let's get our calculator where we can see it. So I'm going to go log of 62, close parentheses, divided by log of 5, close parentheses, 2.564. So that is equal to 2.564, which is equal to the log of base 8 to the x. So now, if we remember the shortcut to this, we know our base to the opposite power is equal to our x. So 8 to the 2.564 power equals x. So we can get our calculator out and say, okay, 8 raised to the power, 8 raised to the power of our last answer, 206.9299. So 2.06 or 206.93. So 206.93 equals x. All right, next one. 16. Same concept. So we can rewrite it log base of 2 log base 2 of 7 is equal to log base 8 of x. So we can rewrite this as the log of 7 over the log of 2 is equal to the log base 8 of x. Okay, so what is the log of 7 divided by log of 2? So log of 7 divided by the log of 2, 2.0807. So 2.807. So again, I can say 8 to the power of 2.807 is equal to x. So again, 8 to the power of my last answer equals 343. So x equals 343. Okay. Next example. 18. Log base 4 of 1.116. So log base 4 of 1.116 equals log base 8 of x. So let's evaluate this one. So that's the same thing as the log of 1.116 over the log of 4. So get our calculator out. Go log of 1.116 close parentheses divided by the log of 4. 0.0791. So 0.0791 equals log base 8 of x. So we can rewrite this as 8 to the 0.0791 power equals x. So same step, 8 to the power of that answer, 1.1789. 1.1789, so 1.179. All right, next one, 31. An investment of $2,000 earns 5.75% interest, which is compounded quarterly. After approximately how many years will the investment be worth $3,000? So we can go A equals P 1 plus R over N to the Tn power. All right, how much is it going to be worth? It's going to be worth $3,000. Well, how much did we put in? That's the principal, $2,000. 1 plus our rate, which would be 0.0575 over, it's compounded quarterly, so 4 times a year, to the 4 times t power. Okay? So let's figure all this out. So 3,000 divided by 2,000 equals 1.5. So 1.5 equals, let's find out what that parenthesis is, 0.0575 divided by 4 0.0575 divided by 4 0.014375. So 1.5 equals 1.01435 to the 4t power. So how do we get rid of that? We can log each side. So I got the log of 105 equals the log of 1.014375 to the 4t power. So I can rewrite this as log of 1.5 equal to 4t times the log of 1.014375. Now isolate the t. So log of 1.5 all over 4 times the log of 1.014375 equals t. So do that on our calculator. So we're going to do log of 1.5 close parentheses divided by 4 log of 1.014375. 7.1. So t equals 7.1. Okay, what was the question? In how many years? So it'll be worth in 7.1 years. All right, the equation y equals 281 times 1.0124 to the x models the U.S. population y, okay, after the year 2000. Graph the function on your graphing calculator. Okay, we're not going to do that part. Okay, we're going to estimate when the United States population equals 35 million or 350 million. So we can say 350 equals 281 times 1.0124 to the x. We're going to divide each side by 281. All right, then we're going to take the log of both sides. So I have the log of 350 over 281 equals x times the natural log, or not the natural log, x times the log of 1.0124. So x is nothing more than the log of 350 divided by 281 all over the log of 1.0124. So let's see if we can plug that in our calculator. All right. So I have the log of 350 divided by 281, close parentheses, divided by the log of 1.0124. 17.81 years. So x equals 17.81 years. So if that was in the year 2000, we would guess around 2018. Okay, next question, moving on. 34. Solve each equation and check your answer. So 2 log of x equals -1. So 2 log of x equals -1. Divide each side by 2, so I get the log of x equals -1/2. Well, don't forget it's a base of 10, so x is going to equal 10 to the -1/2 power. Alright, so x is going to equal basically 1 over 10 squared So x is going to equal 1 over 100, or it could be written as 0.01. All right, 36. The log of x plus 4 equals 8. So the log of x minus 4 to each side equals 4. It's a base 10. So x is going to equal 10 to the 4th. Well, 10 to the 4th would be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So x would be 10,000. Okay, 38. So I have log of x minus 2 equals 1. So it's a base 10, so I can say x minus 2 equals 10 to the 1st. So add 2 to each side, so x equals 12. Okay. 40. 2 times the log of x plus 1 equals 5. So I can rewrite this as the log of x plus 1 equals 5 halves. So I can say x plus 1 equals 10 to the 5 halves power, or x equals 10 to the 5 halves power minus 1. So let's just plug that one in our calculator. 10 raised to the 5 divided by 2, enter, minus 1, 315.22. So x equals 315.22. All right, next problem, 42. Solve each equation. So we can use the quotient property and say the log of x over 3 equals 8. So now it's a base 10, so we can say x over 3 equals 10 to the 8th. Multiply each side by 3. So x is going to equal whatever, 3 times 10 to the 8th. So x equals 3 times 10 to the 8th, which is going to be 300 million, I should say. All right, next problem, 44. 2 log of x plus log of 4. So we can rewrite this as the log of x squared plus the log of 4 equals 2. So we can say this is really the log of 4x squared equals 2. So 4x squared is going to equal 10 squared, which is equal to 100. Divide each side by 4. So x squared is going to be 100 divided by 4, which would be 25. So x would be positive 5. Okay, easy enough. Okay, try to get one more. A parent raises a child's allowance by 20% each year. If the allowance is $8 now, when will it reach 20? So we can say y equals a b to the x. Well, we want it to reach 20. The current value is 8. Our b is 1.20, so we need to solve for x. So divide each side by 8. So I'm going to have 20 over 8 equals 1.2 to the x. So we're going to log both sides, so we're going to get the log of, okay, 20 over 8 divided by 4 would be 5 over 2, which is equal to the x log of 1.2. So x is going to be the log of 2.5, which is 5 halves, over the log of 1.2. So let's do the calculator work. All right, log of 2.5, the log of 2.5 divided by log of 1.2. 5.02. So x equals 5.02.